decision making is highly complex, but there is a way to make decisions that you will not regret. And this video is about how to make decisions in life. As a Gen Z, you might be faced with the decision of either going to college, starting a business, marrying your dream partner, or whatever it is, or pursuing a certain career, whatever it is. So how do you choose to ensure that you do not regret much later in life? The first thing is understand that the spiritual plays a part in our lives, and so tap into the spiritual. Pray, read the Bible, fellowship with God to know His mind about what you want to do. Sometimes when you pray, He answers through the Bible, and so do the two of them pari passu, so that you will know God's mind about that decision you want to take. Secondly, back off a little bit from that decision you want to take, so you can see it from God's perspective. When you are too close to something, you won't be able to see God's mind about that thing. And so it helps to make decisions based on what we know and not what we feel. Emotionally driven decisions are regretted much later on, but decisions that are spiritually directed will not be regretted. And so make decisions based on the perspective of God and not what you feel. The third thing is, does it pass the inner peace test? If the decision you want to make does not pass the peace test, then it's not the best for you. If you have peace of mind about that decision, then go ahead and make it. And last but not the least, wait a little bit so you can have a full picture of the exact situation. Having a full picture enables you to gain clarity and direction, so you do not make rash decisions. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please go ahead and subscribe and share it with a friend.